Welcome to the Ultimate Cricket Word Challenge. In this quiz, you will say incomplete cricket terms. Your job is to fill in the missing letters before the answer appears. Only true cricket fans can score a perfect 50 out of 50. Are you ready? Let's begin. Question number 1. Good luck. Can you complete this cricket term? And the correct answer is hat-trick. Fast answer challenge. What's the missing word? It's yoker. Only true cricket fans know this one. Well played. The answer is umpire. Filling the blanks before the time runs out. Got it. Batsman. Think quickly. What's the answer? The correct term is wicket. Easy or tricky? You decide. Easy one. Boundary. Let's test your cricket vocabulary. Six run, sixer. Can you solve this in 5 seconds? The answer is catch. It's duck. Cricket experts, this one's for you. Correct answer, innings. Ready for another challenge? That's over. Don't blink, answer fast. The answer is maiden. How well do you know cricket? The answer is bowler. Level up. Here's your next question. Fielding position. Fielder. Can you get a perfect score? Correct answer, run out. Let's see if you are a cricket genius. Those are stumps. Think like a commentator. The answer is crease. Quick quiz, what's missing? Extra run, no ball. Only legends will get this instantly. That's white ball. Correct answer, leg side. Can you crack this cricket code? Mystery spin. Googly. This one might surprise you. Spin magic. Off spin. Answer before your friends do. The answer is mid-on. Challenge accepted. Fielding spot. Silly point. Here's a tough one. Correct answer, sleep. Spot the missing letters. The answer is gully. Don't overthink. Classic short area, cover. Can you keep your streak alive? That's sweep. Let's make it harder. Power shot. Pull. Guess the cricket term now. The answer is cut short. Five seconds on the clock. Can you beat the timer? That's a full toss. Dangerous delivery. Beamer. Almost there. What's the word? The answer is run out. True fans will know this. Brilliant wicket keeping. Stumped. Safely taken. Caught. Shot by Tricky. Out. LBW. What's your guess? Free scoring chance. Free hit. Ready for the next one. Fielding position. Third man. Cricket Master Challenge. Correct answer, mid-wicket. One word, one answer. Power hitting time, power play. Can you solve this instantly? The longest format. Test match. This should be easy. Modern cricket. T20 cricket. The answer is one day. You are doing great. Next question. Team leader, captain. A classic cricket term. Check the scoreboard. Can you identify it? Players return to the pavilion. Let's finish strong. Safety first. Helmet. Second last chance. Protect your hands. Gloves. Final question. Can you get 50 out of 50? And the final answer is cricket. Fantastic job! You have completed all 50 cricket terms challenge. How many answers did you get correct? Let us know your score in the comments below. If you scored 50 out of 50, congratulations! You are a true cricket master. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more cricket challenges. Thanks for playing. See you in the next challenge.